Hi, welcome to Tech Theory, a series of short videos where you will learn about educational strategies and tools in 5 minutes or less. So let's begin. In today's episode, we'll be exploring design thinking. We as human beings are idea-generating machines. We have new ideas constantly, and acting on these ideas has been essential to our survival, growth, and prosperity. Ideas create change, and ideas create value. But the ways that this happens aren't always obvious, and there are a lot of myths surrounding the process involved. But there's also a lot that we know, and building that knowledge can help us get better at converting ideas into value, both as individuals and as organizations. So what is design thinking? First and foremost, design thinking is a mindset and approach to learning, collaboration, and problem solving. Traditional academic teaching and learning is typically analytical and focused. Design thinking encourages learners to take an inquiry stance, think divergently, and develop reflexivity. The approach affirms empathy, curiosity, constructiveness, and continuous iteration. The design process is a structured approach to identifying challenges, gathering information, generating potential solutions, refining ideas, and testing solutions. The process is circular by nature and demands iteration. Each stage in the process should be revisited and invoked throughout a learning experience to encourage experimentation, solution feasibility, and reflection. Design thinking begins with understanding your audience and developing solutions or ideas based on what they need rather than what you want to create. For teachers, this perspective can help your students develop critical thinking and creativity skills they can foster for years to come. Design thinking has 5 main phases to guide you and your students in finding creative solutions to complex problems. The first phase is discovery. In this phase, you present the challenge and identify a driving question that would inspire others to search for creative solutions. Students can create a survey to better understand the problem or research about the topic. The second phase is interpretation. How do students interpret their findings? In this stage, students search for meaning, frame opportunities, and tell stories. As they gather data, students will inspire new thinking by discovering what people really need. The third phase is generating ideas. In this stage, students should think of what to create in order to solve the problem. This includes pushing past obvious solutions to get a breakthrough idea. In number 4, we have experimentation. Here, students build rough prototypes to learn how to make ideas better and refine those ideas by gathering feedback and experimenting forward. Finally, there's the evolution phase, where students try their prototypes and present their findings to a wider audience and see if the problem was solved. If it hasn't, they can start the cycle again or move back to the prototyping stage. Design-based projects and curricula empower cross-disciplinary teams to explore new ideas, visit relevant people and places, and build and test physical solutions. Design thinking enables highly collaborative activities in and outside the classroom. Students are directly engaged in information gathering, knowledge generation, communication, and presentation. I hope you find this information useful and that you are encouraged to use design thinking in your classroom. See you next time.